Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 23, problem set. We are going to practice listening to a math story and following directions. We are also going to show the number in 3 ways. I want you to use your pause button if the video is too fast for you. Be sure you have your pencil and your name on your paper. Get ready to listen. Make sure when you're drawing today that you're using circles and drawing the math way. Please don't draw actual things like apples. First, the story said, Robin sees 5 apples in a bag. I want you to draw 5 circles. Next, the story said, she had 10 apples in a bowl. So let's get ready to draw our 10 apples. Are you ready? Go. Draw your 10 apples. So boys and girls, you should have 5 apples and 10 more apples because the story said Robin sees 5 apples in a bag and 10 apples in a bowl. Draw a picture to show how many apples there are. So now we're going to come down here and fill in the number bond. I know that 10 and 5 more is 15. So I'm going to write the number 15 in the whole part of my number bond. Do you know what number goes here and what number goes here? Fill in your numbers. Let's see if you have the same ones as me. Now you might have put 5 here and 10 here, but as long as you have a 10 and a 5 somewhere here, you're good. And then 15. Next, we're going to be writing the number sentence. Is this an adding sentence or a takeaway, subtracting? Let's think about that. Robin sees 5 apples in the bag and 10 apples in a bowl. It didn't say she's taking any away, so I'm pretty sure she's going to be adding. 5 plus, what's my next number? That's right, 10. Now we need the equals. How many altogether? That's right, 15. Let's go on to the next page. Well, actually, it's my next page. Yours is on the same page, isn't it? I'm going to read you the story. Sam has 13 toy trucks. Draw and show trucks as 10 ones and some ones. So I want you to use your pause button and I want you to draw Sam's 13 toy trucks. Be sure to draw 10 and then some more. You have to look at the number 13 to know how many more. When you're all done drawing, press the pause button again to check your work. Hit pause now and draw. Welcome back. Let's see if your picture looks like mine. Do you have 10 circles and 3 more? Because the number was 13. So I know that 13 has 10 and 3 more. So that's why I drew 10 and 3 more. Next, you're going to be drawing a number bond. Yours does not have to have squares like mine. You can draw one with circles. Think about how you're going to fill in your number bond. What number has to go on top? What's the whole number? What is all of these trucks? That's right, 13. So you're going to write that there. How did you make the 13? What are your two parts? Very good. Write your numbers down there. Now write the number sentence to show 13 as 10 and some more. Is this an adding story or a takeaway? What do you think? That's right, it's an adding story. Please write the rest of your number sentence. Don't forget to write the numbers here. Here we are on the last problem. Remember, if you're not finished with the other one yet, please hit pause and finish. Okay, here we go. This time you're going to do it all by yourself. I'm not going to be showing you any pictures at all. I'm just going to read it to you. Our class has 16 bags of popcorn. Draw and show the popcorn bags as 10 ones and some more ones. So remember, your number was 16. Then you're going to draw the number bond, and then you're going to write the addition sentence. When you're all done, put your paper in either your work folder or sign up to meet with your teacher. Have fun!